What is up, YouTube? Thank you guys for joining me today. I appreciate that. If you have not done so yet, go down and like this video and subscribe to my channel. What I have for you guys today is a review video on this wireless microphone system, and let me just show you guys exactly what this is. This is a really cool thing in my opinion. I haven't seen something like this before, but I think it's really cool. Check this out. Pretty much it is this device that pretty much will make any dynamic microphone, like this one I have right here, into a wireless microphone. This is the brand right here. It's called the Xvive U3 wireless microphone system. And let me just show you the page on Amazon really quick. I will link this down in the description below in case you guys want to check it out. It goes for $198 and comes with free shipping. And in my opinion, this is a really cool thing. Let's try it out. Let's see how it works. I'm pretty excited to check this out. So as usual, guys, I will start with a quick unboxing followed by a review. Alright guys, here's what it looks like inside the box. Let's see if we can take these out. Awesome. Alright, is there anything else under here? Let's check. It's kind of hard to do this one-handed, guys. I believe there's... Oh, is there? Oh, okay. Oh, there was stuff underneath. Good thing I did that. Let's see what we have in here. This is probably the charging cable sticker. What is this? A instruction? Oh no, this is a warranty card. That's good. This must be like instructions. And then we got just like kind of a warning thing. And this looks like a little case for it. Oh, cool. Yeah, a little case. Little soft case. Awesome. Right off the bat, I'm liking the packaging. You know, it's kind of like that, nice, sturdy packaging. You know, this is a soft, or not soft, but it's kind of like a hard foam. Keeps everything very secure. I like the snugness of this box. I like the packaging, guys. I'm a sucker for good packaging. Alright, guys, so I just took a quick glance at the instructions. So it looks like right here we have the transmitter. And then over here we have the receiver. They both have charging ports on them right there and right there. Just picking them up quickly, I'll have to say they do have some decent weight to them. If you guys have ever noticed this before, but usually like better quality stuff has weight to it. And usually cheaper stuff, doesn't. But yeah, these have pretty good weight to them. And just to show you guys, this whole part up here is like actual metal. It's not plastic. Same with this one. This all up here is actual metal. Each one of these have a power button, or a switch I should say, and then they each have these circular buttons below them, and those are the channel selection buttons, so you could choose between 6 channels. So I'm assuming that you could have up to 6 of these units without them interfering with each other. And then over here you also, this is the transmitter, it says right there transmitter, you could choose between either mic or line. So the transmitter is the part that gets plugged into the bottom of the microphone, and the receiver is the part that gets plugged into your mixer or your PA, or in my case what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be plugging the receiver directly into my PreSonus Fire Studio interface so that we could hear the direct audio from this. So, we don't have any distortion of the audio through the microphone on my camera. You're going to hear the audio directly from the microphone going through the transmitter to the receiver. So guys, I'm just going to see if these need charged at all, and then I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a demonstration. One thing really quick I wanted to point out about the charger is that it's a single, USB charger, but then it splits into 2 wires so you could plug both of them at the same time, which I think is really cool. Alright guys, so I finished charging the wireless mic system and I just had an idea. What I'm going to do is I'm going to first show you guys how the microphone sounds plugged in with a regular XLR cable into my interface, and then after that we're going to compare that sound with the U3 Xvive wireless mic system. I want you guys to have a good representation of whether the microphone sounds the same with an XLR or as it does with the wireless mic system, or if it doesn't. So here we go.
Check, check, check. All right, guys, now you're hearing the audio from this microphone straight into the computer. So you guys now have a pretty good idea of how the mic sounds. I think it sounds pretty decent. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and switch over to the U3 Xvive wireless mic system and see if it sounds the same as it does with the XLR cable. Check, check. All right, guys. I am actually really happy with how this sounds. It sounds great. It sounds as if I had an XLR cable plugged into this. But you know, the thing that I like better about this wireless system than having an XLR is that with certain microphones, if you're touching the XLR cable, it kind of makes like noise in the background. This, you're not really getting any noise like that. You can move it around as much as you want, and I think it sounds great. If you guys do hear a noise that sounds like water, that's just my fish tank, like on the other side of this wall. You could like hear it. It's pretty loud. But yeah, the next thing I want to try to do is just like test out the range. It says that you can go up to 90 feet away. So let's just test that out real quick. All right, guys. So right now I'm just testing the range. Obviously, you know, I can't hear if it's getting picked up right now, but I'm just going to walk around here. I mean, in my opinion, if it's still picking up the microphone if it picks up the microphone from the top of the stairs outside, that's going to be pretty crazy. Let's see if it does. I'm going to turn the light on outside. All right, there we go. Let's see. I'm not going to know until I go back to my computer whether it's picking up this audio, but I hope it does. That would be super cool, guys. We are pretty far away now. I mean, if it's picking up this audio, that's pretty insane, you know. From all the way down there to up here, that would be pretty crazy. Gonna go back now.
All right, guys, so I am listening to the audio that I just recorded right now of me going up the stairs to see, you know, test the range of the microphone. I want to say that I was more than 90 feet away. I was most likely more than 90 feet away, and we did still pick up some audio. It did cut out a little bit, but I mean, considering that, you know, we have, you know, glass, like this wall right here, we have this wall blocking me, and then we have the wall, like the glass wall, separating me from outside, and then like up those 2 flights of stairs, like that is pretty far away, and we have the 2 walls. So taking that into consideration, and there's a concrete wall out there that kind of blocked us a little bit probably. So considering that it still picked up some of that audio was pretty amazing. Like guys, like I am pretty satisfied with how this thing is working. It's so simple to use, guys, and then like it's so easy to change the channel that you're using. Like, I just think all around, this is a really cool wireless mic system thing. I've never seen something like this before. I didn't even know these existed. And I think I'm pretty stoked on it, guys. If you guys have like a Shure SM58 and one of these, you are set. But you know, don't just take my word for it, guys. You guys heard the same audio as I did. You heard this microphone plugged into the interface with an XLR cable, and you heard it with the wireless system. I think the wireless system sounded just as good as the XLR cable, and we avoided a lot of that XLR cable noise from the physical cable moving around. So guys, let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. I am pretty happy with this thing. It gets 2 thumbs up from me, guys. I actually might have a couple of performances coming up this summer, one in Salt Lake City and one in Denver, Colorado. And I am definitely gonna bring this along with me if I do end up doing those 2 shows. Once again, guys, I will have this linked down in the description below in case you want to check it out for yourself. It goes for $198 on Amazon with free shipping. And once again, guys, this is the Xvive U3 wireless microphone system. By the way, guys, if you guys hear any interference in this video footage right here, I just want to let you guys know that that is this Rode VideoMic Go that I have on top of my camera. The Rode VideoMic Go is notorious for picking up interference. And that's gonna be just about it for today's video. If you like this video, please go down and give me a like. That helps me out a lot. And if you haven't done so yet, go ahead and check out my channel. I do a bunch of different kinds of videos, a bunch of review videos, different stuff. If you like what you see there, hit that subscribe button, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Peace.